Can you see screen, right? Okay, guys, please regarding, please see here. Open your RDP, guys. The IP address is already shared to you, guys. Guys, please, Srisha, please pay attention here. Okay, the IP address is already shared to you, guys. Okay, you can see 10.49.99.14. Okay, and give your username is your official email address. Password is your official password. Okay, just connect it.
That you are not sharing screen.
Okay, so I will type my password. Okay, now it's connecting to your Office server. So this is your Office, like whenever you apply means your desktop and will be created. When you log in, so Vishnu separate desktop will be created. Same thing for Sony, everything. Okay, so now I have logged into your Office server, guys. Okay, so how do I open the EVNG? Right. So what is the password, guys? Just open your Chrome. Okay, now we have logged into the server, Office server. The server is 2012 Microsoft 2012 server R2 version name is. Open the Chrome. The IP address is 172. The EVNG already it is there here. Just click on it. Okay, it will show you that 172.16.200.32. The IP address is. Okay. Username is Eve. Admin password is Eve. EVE. You can check here. Admin password is 3 dots. Can you see, right? Okay. This is login credential is same. I don't know which password he has shared yesterday. Yogesh, he has sent some password. Okay. Admin. Okay. Eve is SE. And don't change this password. Don't do anything. Okay. Once you log in, now you can able to open your Eve. Right. So these are the people, guys. The IT team, they have done a lot of R&D. They have played with this amazing work. But this is the GT Labs, which have created the folder. Okay, in GT Lab, so I have created the 3 folders. Okay, the 3 folders are Rahul, Srisha, Sonu, and Vishnu. Okay, so yesterday Access, I did the I think 3 to 4 labs for the checkpoint. Okay, so where I have configured, I think in let me check first Rahul. So in the Rahul, I have configured OSPF and EHRP in the checkpoint. Okay, and go back. And Srisha, I think I not configured anything. Don't move it. The Palo Alto had connected, but it's not taking the IP address from the server. Okay. And for Sonu, in the Sonu folder, I have configured. I think here I configured static and default. You can check static and default in the checkpoint. And Vishnu, I think I configured a RIP. You can see RIP. So RIP, I think which I have configured. Okay. So let's don't go directly. First thing is let me open the Sonu first thing. The thing is first you do the lab for static and default in checkpoint. Okay. At the same time, so I want to show you the GUI interface for the checkpoint. So for that, I need the Windows 10. That password will be down. No. Right. Meanwhile, rather than wasting the time there, so I want you people to do the just hands-on for this. I'll show you the lab how your CLI looks like your checkpoint. Okay, so let me open the first. This is the first lab, guys, which we are going to do for the year. This is the I think Sonu, right? We can see right GT Labs, Sonu Team Lab. Okay, in that I'll open this. If you scroll down, it will show you if you want to delete, edit, and open. So now I am going to open it. Okay, so this yesterday I did the lab. You can see checkpoint IP static and default routing. Okay, so you can see the speed of this server, guys. Okay, So my server, so it takes for on this device, it takes 15 minutes. Okay. Now check how long this server takes time. We can on the device individually start, or directly we can able to go more option, start all nodes. It will start. Okay, you can see all is getting started. Okay, is all getting start. So now just click on this server checkpoint. This thing open internet shortcut shell. Yes. Okay, you can see. So now we can able to access your checkpoint Firewall. Okay, so one by one you open, and here we can open all together. Again, when you want to do the lab, we have to plan. It's not like the packet reset, take this and paste and connect easily. So here is there's a lot of things we should learn. Okay, when the device is on, it will not allow you to connect. It will connect, but it will not show it is connected. Before all the device is off, then only you can able to connect it. Okay. So now you can able to put your checkpoint firewall. So in checkpoint firewall, which operating system we are using? Last week I told. Last Wednesday, I remember. Same time I told, I think, 11 o'clock. Yes. It's a Gaia operating system. Gaia. There is a city in Bihar. Right? Gaya city is Bihar. Huh? Both Gaya. Okay, guys, see here. So I can log in, able to log in your Palo. So the password is admin. Sorry, login is admin. Password is P capital asterisk SSW0RD. Okay, so I log into the Firewall. So how to check the commands are same thing like what you have done. Show configuration. You can see this is a list of how we can check the list of configuration. What are the things has been configured. Okay, and next thing is show interface. Okay, interface. Yes. Okay. You want to check all interface, type yes, show interface. So it will show you which are the interfaces are available in this firewall. You can see Ethernet 0. You want me to increase the font size? Yes. This is the maximum. I don't know. Okay. Let it be. You do the Rangoli on the screen. Okay. I don't want to do this thing. Okay. Okay. Now show. Okay. Interface. Okay. Ethernet 0. Okay. One interface you want to check. Show interface Ethernet 0. So you can see what IP address I have configured. This is 1.2. You can see this parameters, guys. So type is Ethernet, link speed is up, MTU is 1500, auto negotiate. Means it has been connected to which router? Ethernet 0, right? E0. Okay, IP address is 1.2. So it is connected to gigabyte 0/0. Okay, the IP address is 1.2 with a /24. Okay, so now, so here I think shutdown and no shutdown in Cisco device, right? So here is a no such shutdown. Status on. Go to interface, status on. Okay, I'll show you that. So wrong because already everything is configured. This lab you take it as a reference. After this, you create your own lab and you check the commands already have configured. Okay, so once if you are done, so please access. I'll give the break. You want break now? Okay, let me figure out like what other things is there after this. How to give the IP address, guys? How to shut down and no shutdown here. Okay, set set interface Ethernet 0. Okay, state on means it's no shutdown in checkpoint. Like no shutdown in Cisco, in checkpoint on. Okay, this is already up now. Okay, then how to give the IP address? Set interface. Okay, IP server is current. Okay, this is a good advantage, right? I'll get scared because in my home there's no UPS. I have the inverter. Server will not take that much of because my inverter not take the lot of load. It has got 2 ASMPS server. It takes 750 watts, 750 watts. So my inverter is 1400 watts. I am to buy because it's 75K. I'm thinking, how much backup it will give? 45 minutes. To shut down all the VMs, it takes 15-20 minutes. To shut down, I should pay 75K. What is this, man? Okay, so how to give the IP address? A very basic command I'm telling you guys. Okay, set interface Ethernet 0. Okay, so IPv4 address. If you don't know means it will give the ask you. You can give the command. So I'll give 192.168. Yeah. So because I have the material for these commands, but I can't copy and paste. I can't download. Yes. I'm recording this session now. You can see. Okay. So I'm giving the IP address 192.168. Say example, I'll give 1.2. Already have given the IP address. So here, how I should give the subnet mask? Okay, here net mask, just mask length is 24 because it is a class C, right? Class C. Because already this is how to give the IP address. Anyhow, I'm recording as you can see there is command. So how to check the version? Show version. Okay. Question mark, same thing here. Show version. Will give the system. We show work. I think show product. No, show version is not. No. Incomplete command. Show interfaces. Okay, so show all interfaces if you want to check guys one by one. We can see Ethernet 0. I have given 1.2 for Ethernet 1. Okay, 2.2, and for Ethernet 3, 3.2, and Ethernet Ethernet 3 is 4.2, Ethernet 2 is 3.2. Okay, so how to ping to the router now? No, checkpoint, same thing like your Cisco. It's not like your Palo Alto. Okay, ping host and IP address in the Palo Alto. In the checkpoint firewall, directly we can ping, like how you're pinging in the Cisco. Ping, I want to ping to my firewall. So right now I want to ping to, so this firewall. This firewall IP address is 1.1, which is directly connected. Means it should reply, right? Ping 192.168 1.1. I think I should on this device. Let me check this. Show IP address interface. This is Cisco device, guys. The router is what are the router I'm using? There is Cisco. Same command. What are the command you did in packet tracer? Same command. Okay, the IP address I have given. This is 1.1. So we can see, right? 1.1 is connected to your this interface. Okay, so can I ping to the file here? Ping 192.168 1.2, right? Same command. What are the command? Almost all same command. Show IP interface brief. Okay, what we have to do if you're not pinging, go to the interface. Okay, shutdown and no shutdown. So now you check. Fine. So I can able to ping, right? Right. Same thing. You check from the firewall. So this is my firewall. Let me check now. Fine. So I can able to replay from your firewall. Means I can able to reach to your firewall, guys. Same thing. Check for the other guys. Let me check. I want to ping to this top router. Okay. The IP address is 2.1. We can see, right? This is 2.1. So if it's not pinging means what we should do? Destination host unreachable. Means the router interface is down because we have shut down. Again, we on, right? By default, I told you, right? All the interface will be in the down state in the Cisco. Same thing for checkpoint also, checkpoint firewall. What we have to do? Open this router. Use shutdown and no shutdown command here. Go to interface. Use shutdown and no shutdown. You can see show IP interface brief. You can see this 192.168.2.1, right? So when I ping from the checkpoint, it's not getting reply. Okay, it's not getting reply, right? If I ping from here to firewall, 192.168, I think 2.2. Okay. So it's not getting reply from the firewall, right? So because as we can see, the protocol is down right here. So what we have to do? Okay, go to interface, gigabyte 0/0, shutdown and no shutdown. Now you check ping. Now it is success, right? Then able to reach right to the firewall. Now check from the firewall. This is router, right? This is the firewall. We can change this name also, guys. Set host name. I'll give checkpoint firewall. Okay, just changing your name. How you change the host name? Okay, so I want to ping to 192.168 2.1, right? So I am getting reply. Fine. So I can able to reply from your firewall. So how to check the routing protocol here? Show route. That's it. No show IP route in checkpoint. Just show route. Okay. Show route. If you want to check only RIP, it will show you the RIP one. Okay. Show route OSPF, which are not configured. Commands are similar, guys. That's the reason Cisco. What are the commands you learn the Cisco? Similarly, slight changes. That's it. Like flavor, ice cream flavor, right? All are ice cream. All are ice cream. Okay, different color, different taste, nothing else. What you are telling you, yes, if you ask anybody what you are doing means I'm having my ice cream, that's it. All are same, but they have different features. Okay, like Palo Alto. Why Palo Alto became famous? Because it is a number one that they're using Palo Alto firewall. Nobody told why, technical reason. Yeah. Okay, Palo Alto is the one which they have come up with the URL filtering, application filtering, content filtering, packet, and Cisco also does the packet filtering. User identification, user ID, okay, application filtering, content filtering, okay, and GUI based filtering. Is the first company to introduce this thing, Palo Alto. Okay, then what checkpoint has come up? Most deployed firewall toward the world is checkpoint, because they have the two checkpoint firewall. They use the two checkpoint device. One is for gateway, one is for your security manager. Whatever the object, policies, do's and don'ts, conditions, I want to filter that, these HTTP filter, TCP filter, everything will be configured in your checkpoint manager, security manager. Okay, then they will push to your firewall, checkpoint firewall. If anything is go down, still is available. It will be filtered based on your blades, filtering, number of blades, policies.
Has to restart. Connection or something. The link is some you have to restart it.
Yes, that is a good advantage in checkpoint, because it has the like active standby here also. Checkpoint also, even for Cisco also, but Cisco doesn't have this one. Now that reason Cisco has come up with the Cisco Firepower. You heard this? Cisco Firepower. Now they are coming up. This is the technical reason you should tell. These are the features they will give it. Understood, guys? Okay. And now what you do, guys? We'll take the break now. So after the break, I'll just close my account here. Okay. So access any one of guy from your side. Okay. Then I'll help you out. Take what are the lab you done. So right now for this zones, I have done the routing part. So let me check from, is there any configured show IP route? Because I have configured default routing. Can you see right here? The default routing I configured. So show IP route static. Showing the default routing. So how to check in Palo Alto? Sorry, in checkpoint. Show route rip. Okay. So here, so it is didn't serve, because yesterday maybe I didn't serve because of you people. You have to do it. I'll tell you the commands. Very simple command. I will take the screenshot. Is there this thing? IP address already have configured. Okay. Don't use this topology. Create your own topology. With the same topology, same IP address. Next time you change your IP address. Okay. So now the question is, guys, how will do this lab? You are 18 people right now, right? Only one. How are you going to manage? So those who got the access, okay. So please share with your friends here when you hear. When you are at home, connect through VPN and access the lab. Right. So when you are here, as you know that you are spending almost 8 hours here. Means 2 hours means like I think almost all team members they can do it, not team leaders. For team leaders, you access at your home and you just sync with your other team members when you are accessing. Okay, so the server should not even 1 minute also you should not get down or this thing. Okay, you have to capitalize this. When using accessing means they will come to know because they are using like anything the server. Got it? It's very good server. In the wireless, see how he is opening, right? Not, we can't access. Suppose you are accessing right now. Okay, so now you design the topology in your folder. Okay, do it in your folder, not with the Sonu folder. Okay, I want to check later, right? What you people are doing there, right? Even I have the access. Okay, do it yourself. Access, so use the topology in your folder. Okay, now you are accessing. So once you access, okay, and give to your members, okay. So let them do it for 2 hours. Then like Vishnu team will access, like Rida and Varsha, they will do it. Same thing for Rahul and this thing. Let them access the other in the office. When you go home, sync with your whom you want to access. Maybe night times, okay, maybe early morning, 2 hours, 3 hours. So once if you're done, so just message the this thing, I have log out from the server, then you access it. Fine. So it means server 24/7, 365 days, 7 days, it should be busy. Right? But compared to my server, it is very amazing, sir. In wireless also is how much fast is opening, right? For the wireless, right? So I'll show you the basic configurations, how to configure. I will show you in the Teams. Okay, we'll take the break. So how to log out, guys? I'll tell you that one also. Same thing for the router. I think right command to save. Wrong command, right? Same thing here also. Here's in checkpoint, just save. Save configuration. It will give the question mark, tab, it will give the configuration. That's it. Very simple command in the save. Okay. So when you want to close